Here is part 5.5 of the build log, guys. Told you this would be right up after next video. Well, it's all back together. The fuses work. Everything's on. I still don't have this hooked up yet. This is next part that's coming. Don't worry about that. Good thing is, this is now hooked onto a switch. Well, the little control panel here. So now I can turn this on and off and flash it and all that. But here's the cool thing. Since this bike is going to be street legal, this one still isn't adjusted right. I'll get it. They're all the same brightness. Everything works. Rear brake switch is on the foot brake, which I'll show you now. Still leaking oil. Here's the brake switch. Ooh, my battery nearly fell. I gotta make sure that doesn't fall. I don't have that strapped on right now, just because I've just finished it, so have yet to get everything finalized. So I'll pull this off with the battery, put that on the charger later. And all the wires are hidden, everything's taped up and soldered. Connectors are on, bullet connectors and all that. The crimps are on down in the back, along with some soldering. The next thing that I'll have to wire when it comes in is my brake light. So I've found the location for the brake light where it's going to go. On the rear here, this sits perfect when it's on completely, but I'm going to put it up probably on the end or underneath. I haven't really decided yet. Probably go underneath so I can have a tag mount, but then I'll run the flasher cans. From that, I'm just going to run common positive all the way back and then a common negative. I'll probably ground it to the frame. So that'll be up under here. I have a brake light from the switch and up there, which I don't have the correct connectors for these, because it's the, let's see, these stupid little mini connectors, which, come on, focus. It's those, and I don't have the correct connector. That'll probably come sometime soon, whenever the rest of it's in. Running light for the running rear light like this. So, alright, that's turned off. When this turns on, the rear light will turn on too, but the brake light will constantly be to a positive, so that anytime this brake or the foot brake is hit, that'll light up. Yeah. So that's what I have so far. Still leaking oil. It's not leaking coolant anymore. So let me know what you guys think. Bike's basically done. All it needs my exhaust pipe to come in, because I have yet to get that. Once I get the exhaust pipe on, throw some fuel in it, and start it for the first time in 4 or 5 years. I think she'll be mint, guys. I really think so.